Hi folks, today we will learn how to multiply numbers in Excel. So I have entered some values in column 1, column 2, column 3. These are some random values I have added, and let's multiply the values in row 1, row 2, row 3 which are available there. So just enter equal to, then select the values that I want to multiply. Then after selecting the value, I am entering star sign which is available in your keyboard. Then select the another value which you want to multiply. Then again select or enter the star sign. Then select the another value which you want to multiply with these two values and then simply enter. So that's the result from cell B2, C2 and D2. Similar way you can do for cell E3, E4 if you want to multiply the values of row 2 and row 3 respectively. So in this case simply drag the cell E2 downwards and you will get the desired result for other two rows, row 2 and row 3. Thank you. Now let's learn how to divide numbers in Excel. For that I have entered some random values in column 1 and column 2, and especially I want to divide values of column 1 by column 2. For that I am entering equal to, then selecting the B2 cell from column 1, and I want to divide by cell C2. For that I am simply entering slash and select the respective cell and then enter. And I want to apply the same formula for row 2 and row 3. So I'm simply dragging the cell number D2 downward, and here I have got the desired result for row 2 and row 3 respectively.